the people here. Now here, when the market was going down, all the people have lost money, but almost all who sold their money, they lose all these 5 years investment. But most of the people, the big guys, they don't sell. They don't sell because of a year that it is bad. But the people who don't know, this is for people who are investing. But for people who are trading, you shouldn't stay in like this. A loser is a loser. You take a small loss and you exit. You don't have to go to it. Okay? So let's go back. Now, hello, Pchi Crux XD. Thank you very much. Your ID, YouTube ID, is very hard to pronounce. PTY Crux XD. I don't know what is this, but it's the thing that you said. Okay. Now let's continue. You see this psychological problem? It creates terror. Like now, it's the same thing. In the streets, people, they can't go because we have curfews in almost cities of USA. Now this is because of the media. The media makes the people angry. Okay? And when the people are angry, it's easy to ask them what to do. Okay? To ask them what to do. And that's the outcome. It means this is what we are going to see. Now, so the media is misleading. Analysts are misleading. They are selling things to you. You are their customers. If you can listen, it's good when you listen. Listen about a company and they say it's good in this thing. If you are an investor, you want to invest in 10 years, 20 years, 30 years, it's okay to listen. But you should not invest, or you should not trade until you have your own opinion. Does what he say can influence? You should study by yourself, and you should search, because this is your money, especially when you have big money. Okay? Because you throw it like this because someone told you, and then after 5 years or 10 years you lose all your money. You are waiting, and each time you tell you, no, just hold, and the stock is going down, until one day they say it's bankruptcy. And it happens to millions of Americans. Do you understand that each year, hundreds or thousands of companies, they go bankrupt, especially if they are in the stock market? So when the company is bankrupt, what does it mean? It means you have lost all your money. You can't get back your money. You lost it. And that's why in investing, you should each quarter see what's going on with your investment. That's why my subscribers, it means when they have some investment, they send it to me like any stock they have, and I will give them my opinion. Now they do whatever they want with their money, but I just give them my opinion according to price. Now, hello, bro HD. Thank you very much for coming. So, as I told you, we have two sources of information, or data, as they call it. We have the media. Now we have Facebook, which entered to the media and becomes the biggest media in the world. It's more than TVs. It's more because this information is from real people. Okay, it's real people. It's the people who change things. It's no more just TVs and newspapers and those gurus or those old people who know everything. So now we have other people who are competing with the media. Now, the thing I'm telling you is that for me, I don't watch the media. If I watch, it's for entertainment. It's not for business. So you see the difference. If I want to get entertained, I watch a movie or a documentary or anything that, or a comedian, solo comedian, anything that distracts me and it's entertainment. But in terms of business, I'm not going to go to a guru or to a TV star and he showed me what to buy as investment or what to buy as stocks. This is stupid. I would never accept that, because they influence you and they change your mind and they sell you something. If they ask you to buy, try to see why he asks you to buy. Because all the information he gave is true, is about the past. But the second part, when he asks you to buy now, and you should rush. Because how can you ask you to rush in investment? You are buying for many years, for 10 years, 20 years, 30 years. A company that you think it will be great, or it is great and will become bigger and bigger and bigger. So how can you ask you, oh no, you should rush. No, don't rush. You should study, take your time. 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, take your time when it is an investment. But when it is trading, it's right away. For example, for me, if I want to trade, at the end of the day, I do the search, I put stocks in the chart, I choose 1 or 2 or 3, whatever money I have, and I just buy. So it doesn't take 10 minutes. It doesn't take 10 minutes for me, and then I follow them the whole week. If they don't go down, I don't exit them. That's it. We have many stocks now that have 2 months, 3 months. Understand? 2 months, 3 months. Okay? And when there is the reverse, okay, people, they stay scared. They don't buy. The reverse, it means when the downtrend finishes, the stocks are beginning to go up. For me, with my subscribers, I ask them, this is the opportunity to buy from the bottom. This is a training level 13. So I try always to remember them, because some people, when they forgot, they go to their training and they studied it again. All are in videos. They study it again. It means you study the material. What did they say in theory, and what I do in practice. Okay? So I will show you just right now what did happen. At least you will have an idea, and then we can go. Okay? So here. So this is now let's take it to daily. Okay. Now, as you can see, this is the downtrend that we have seen. Now, this is the uptrend. Okay? Now we begin to buy in the bottom here. But understand that for me, I didn't ask them to buy here and here and here and here. I asked them only when they are here. Now you say to me, why? It's the secret. Okay, this is the secret of my strategies that I'm doing. Now, and each week, I say the market is strong, the market is strong. Those people who bought, they make money. Those who don't, they are still inquiring when we should buy. And this is for all the people who are there. Okay? Now, so, as you can see, in this year, after the coronavirus news, they were very, very bad news. The market responded to this because we have hedge funds and short sellers. day traders for all the world. Because I told you, you think that America, we are just alone. No, brokers accept traders from all over the world, from France, from England, from China. You say, oh, China, they come here. Yes, they are trading in our market. They can push the market to go down also. And they have their companies listed here, like Baba, like the other companies. There are hundreds of companies that are listed here, and they take money from America, they give it to China, okay, for these companies. So you understand that it is not only America traders or hedge funds. You have other hedge funds in Europe, in Middle East, in South America, in China, in Russia. All these are here. They participate. It means when there is a feast like the coronavirus news, it was so bad that the market has taken 4 years of investment of people. I just showed you before how is that. It means the market was going down, 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 down. In 1 month, it took 4 years of investment. It means in 2016, if you bought some stocks and in the news of February news 2020, you will lose all that money for 4 years. You will lose all that money. I just showed you the chart. But understand, the people, they are not crazy. Most of the investors, they are not crazy to sell very, very quick, because they know that this is volatility of the market. They know that there should be 1 year or two, it's bad. In 10 years, 5 years, 10 years, there should be 1 year or two that are bad. This is known. So investors, they know, those who know the market and they have experience, they know that. Hello, Zuwar Rasul. Thank you very much for coming. Okay? Now, after the bad news of coronavirus stopped the market, the people, the hedge funds, they took all their money, so they begin to buy back. When they began to buy back, what they do? They begin to buy back. It means the shares that they sold short, they should buy it again. That's why the reverse should be. The reverse should be by force. Because you know, when you do selling short, what is it? Selling short. Selling short is you ask your broker, although you just click sell, you don't click buy, you click just sell, but this has a lot of things to be done. When you click sell, what does it mean? It means you ask your broker for shares of that stock to sell. So he gives you the shares. The shares are real. It's shares of an investor. But you must bring it back. He doesn't care. The broker doesn't care how much you buy it, how much you sell it, because he's not trading with you. He just give you a loan of shares. Okay? A loan of shares. So you get these shares, you sell them, and then when they go down, you buy them back. This is called to buy back or to cover the stocks. And then when you do that, you take what is between, and this is your profit. So the broker will not get from your profit. He will get from interest rate when you are staying, like 1 month, because the guys has stayed 1 month. So he will get interest rate from the money of the shares that you have taken, and you give him back the shares, so he will be okay. Okay, so this is you should understand. Now, these mutual funds, what they do? These hedge funds, what they do? Because most of the time, mutual funds, they don't sell because of the news. They don't. And there are regulations. They can't just sell like that without percentage. Because they have, I think they can sell only 20% of their account. They can't sell all their account, because everything will collapse in the stock market. So there are rules by Security Exchange Commission. There are rules that they shouldn't. But hedge funds, they are not. They have no rules. They can do whatever they want in the market, and they are free. That's why they sell short. But mutual funds, they can't sell short.